Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting into the time travel experience immediately. Log into Roblox, equip the time travel item or pass, and join a server with stable ping. Once inside, enable your HUD and open the in-game map so you can see spawn anchors and time nodes. You do this because precise positioning and low lag prevent desync during jumps. Make sure your character settings, camera, movement are set to default to reduce animation conflicts before you attempt the first jump. You now perform the core sequence. Walk into the time node's glowing radius and center your camera on the anchor point. Press the designated jump keybind and, if the mechanic requires, hold it for half a second to 1 second to register. Once done, watch for the server's visual and audio confirmations, a flash, a sound cue, or a chat message, because these confirm state synchronization. If you miss the cue, step out and retry rather than spamming commands, which can cause desync. You finish by confirming you landed in the intended time. Check the map timestamp and look for world changes like NPC placement or environment shifts. If things look off, first try a controlled relog or switch to a different low-lag server and repeat the node jump. This often resolves client-server desync. If the issue persists, clear Roblox cache and gather reproducible steps, server ID, and screenshots so you can report the bug. That targeted info speeds fixes and prevents repeated failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.